So welcome back. In the last video we saw how to record the video by using the Chrome extension. But there was one limitation of Chrome extension, that you can't record your camera along with your PPTs or any other application of your desktop. So in this video we will see how to use the desktop application where all these things are possible. So for this purpose, first of all you have to install the desktop app for Loom. So just to install the desktop app, just click on More and here you will see desktop app. So just click on this one, download this app for your PC or for Windows. So now once the app will be downloaded, just try to install it on your system, and after installing you will see this type of icon is there. So in my case I have already installed this app, but I will tell you how to use this app for the recording of your desktop applications, for PPTs or any other type of document. So for this purpose, click on this Loom. Okay, now this is the interface of desktop app. Here make sure you have selected the proper camera and your microphone is selected here. And again this has few more options similar to our Chrome extension. The very first option is about screen and cam. Here you can record both your desktop as well as your camera. In this case screen only, as the name suggests, only screen will be recorded. And in the third option, that is a cam, only cam will be recorded and nothing else will be recorded in your lecture. Here you can also see we have few more options, and this option is very useful. You can annotate. When we will start the recording, you will be able to annotate on your PPT or any other document which you are using for the teaching purpose. And one of the most important thing and very useful thing here in the desktop version, that you can select the quality of your video. You can see by default it is 720, but you can record the videos up to full HD with the 1080p. So you decide depending upon your internet speed which type of resolution you want to record for your videos. Now in this case what I have planned, that I want to teach to my students through this PPT. So let me go back to this part, screen plus cam, and click on start recording. So it is warning me that my microphone is muted, but right now I am making this video, that is why I am using a different microphone, but in your case this message will not pop up. So just let me proceed for this one and click on start the video. So one, and my video is being recorded now. So let me just open my PPT here, and yes, now here I will start teaching through this PPT and I will record my lecture. And at any time you see you want to change or you want to shift the position of your camera, you can shift that position as well. And we have few more options like this one. You can increase the size of your camera and you can make it a full camera as well in between. So just let me go to the default one, and all these things are being recorded in this one. And here you can see the annotate button. If you want to annotate or you want to write anything on your PPT, you can use this one, and you can just change the size of your pen, and that is also possible. So just click on done and you will go back to the original part. So suppose I have delivered my lecture and it is being recorded here. Now you have to stop this video. Just from here click on yes. Before stopping, if in between you want to pause your video, you can use this button. And finally, once you are confirmed that your lecture has been recorded, just click on this stop button. Yes, I am back in my Loom account and you will see my video is here. Okay, so you can use here the trim function. You can change the name, you can copy this link and you can share this link with your students, and similarly you can download this video once it will be uploaded. So okay, let me just play this video. And see here, my lecture is being recorded here. So my mic was muted, that is why my audio will not be available here. So this way we have recorded our video by using the desktop app. Now this video is ready to be used for your students. So thank you so much for being with me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and be tuned in for more updates on Loom. Thank you so much.